Did you know that there is one sexy trait that inspires deep love and admiration with a man that lasts forever? In fact, if you've ever wondered how to make him addicted to you in the best way possible, then this is it. Now hold your horses, this isn't about anything directly or obviously sexy, and this is why it's so damn powerful that every woman knows this hidden and extremely powerful attraction secret. You see, what men find attractive in women isn't about how sexy you look in your lingerie or how often you work out in the gym or how cute you look wearing his shirt. Sure, that helps, though he's not going to commit to you because of these factors alone. This is why it's so important you stay with me as I define what guys like and need to experience with a woman to devote themselves completely to her. Hi, I'm Nadine Piat, a dating and lasting attraction coach for smart, savvy women and the founder of Healthy You, Healthy Love. I'm also the creator of 4 world-leading love and relationship programs, including Unlock His Heart and Never Lose Him. If you've not heard of me, then this is the place to be as I answer all of your unanswered questions about understanding men, wholehearted commitment, and lasting attraction. Now, before we continue, please be sure to comment below and let me know if there's anything specific you'd like help with and if there's a topic you'd like me to do a video on. I want to find out about who you are and what your needs are so I can support you on your path to big, sexy love. And if you're new and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button below and the bell button to get notified of my next video. Now I'm going to cut to the chase on today's topic. The most attractive trait that a man needs to love you forever is humility. But the problem is most women and also men don't consciously link humility to sexiness. In fact, most clients I've worked with at first don't really know what humility is and why it's the very ingredient that allows for a true emotional and physical bonding. So what is humility? Well, humility is to act without pride or to face your pride and change your course of action. Humility is about being acutely aware that we are all limited and fallible human beings. Humility is getting off your high horse and taking a look at yourself from a bird's eye view and acknowledging that sometimes we can be overly sensitive, indifferent, irritable, quick to judge, emotional, and perhaps unreasonable at times, and that's the short list. And yet, humility is not self-deprecation. It's not taking the blame for things that you did not do, nor is it allowing yourself to be criticized or controlled, or allowing others to wrong you or put you down because they feed off shaming and blaming you. To paint a clearer picture, here's an example of what humility is. Imagine you're cooking dinner with your partner. Music is playing and you're having a good laugh together. You're teasing each other in a cute kind of way, but then you say something a little sarcastic and negative to your boyfriend. As soon as the words leave your mouth, you realize that what you said was unkind. This is not the first time you've done this, and like each other time, you notice the expression on his face change, his body withdraw, and you know your words didn't land very well. If you're stuck in a mindset of being right, or while you believe that sarcasm is funny and words can never hurt, which is not true, they do hurt, you won't feel the need to apologize and show some humility. You'll believe that your boyfriend is too sensitive and needs to get over it. Or maybe you have some unresolved issues in the relationship and these little digs are your way of hurting him. If this sounds anything like you, then I have something to help you with this today. A free gift called Word Poison. 16 words and phrases that are an instant turn off to a man and will block desire. So go grab it now. The link to Word Poison is in the description below. So what are the reasons why someone would put someone down or be unkind? Well, it can stem from a multitude of reasons. Some people like to create distance because they actually fear intimacy. Some people are, as I mentioned, resentful about unresolved issues, and instead of talking about these things, they lash out in small or big ways, while others associate drama with love and they believe they need drama to feel connected. And this is why humility is so attractive, because it takes real courage to admit that we're not perfect, to admit that we have fears. And it takes even more courage to admit why we do what we do so that we can change what we do. A relationship does not need to be perfect to be healthy and connected, though it does require two people to face and heal their internal pain and struggle so that they can wholeheartedly love themselves and another. Have you ever had a man admit to you his shortcomings or voluntarily apologize to you for his actions? It's pretty darn special when they do, and then when they follow that up with changing their behavior, it reveals strength of character and a commitment to themselves and the relationship to you. There's no better aphrodisiac than truth, mindfulness, and a willingness to change, a willingness to face your stuff. And I can assure you, you've got stuff, I've got stuff, and so will your current man or future man. Why? Because we're human and it's okay. And yet, some people really aren't interested in looking at their stuff. It terrifies them. So if you want to have the most beautiful, heartwarming, and passionate relationship, and you want to make him addicted to you, then don't be afraid to face your so-called flaws and love blocking actions. Humility is about honoring yourself, loving yourself, and honoring and loving your partner. It's all about the big picture of your life. Of course, you need to be with a man who can do the same in return, because that's when things get really hot and steamy. When we're no longer hiding, we're able to truly experience the depths of emotional and physical intimacy. Without humility and vulnerability, this level of lasting passion is impossible. In fact, in my program, Never Lose Him, I share a few very specific tips to help you with this. I have a whole section about humility and ways to rise above your pain and fears that inspires a man to completely and easily open up to you. I think you'll also love the EBE, the Emotional Barrier Eliminator Technique. Now, this is a skill every woman needs to know. Check out Never Lose Him in the link below. So the bottom line here is, without humility, we'll stay rigid, opinionated, disconnected from true love, narrow-minded, and stuck revisiting old patterns that no longer serve us for a relationship. And that ain't sexy. So it's time to get down and dirty and bond with your man with a big, healthy dose of mutual humility. If you're single, then start honing these skills with your friends, colleagues, and family. All relationships need humble souls to stay strong. There you have it, the super sexy traits men find attractive in women and make him addicted to you. So tell me, what can you do today to be more humble? Please comment below and let me know what you're struggling with so we can know how to best support you. And while you're at it, please do subscribe to this channel, as this will allow me to keep creating these videos for you, and hit the subscribe button below this video and the bell button to get notified of our new videos every week. Of course, if you think a friend would benefit from this topic, please share this with them, as it might be the very video they need to see to create a deeper bond with the man they love. It's been a great honor to have you here with me. I encourage you to choose to love a little more every day in some way, and see you again at my next video.